because I had the bangs, you see, you know, the Jane Birkin bangs for a while. Got the fear because my mum always used to make me have my hair in a bob when I was younger.
Yeah.
And I hated it. I always wanted long hair. So when I got to the teenager, I grew my hair and I've never had it cut since. I've never had it short since.
Well, we might go slightly
so maybe
short
we'll
today.
have to, my mum will be pleased anyway.
We're not going to go very short. I still need to be sitting on the shoulder because you do have a little bit flat feeling on the side of your head.
I've got what, sorry?
The head on the side is a little bit flat.
Flat.
So if I kept the hair like below, above the shoulder, it might just feel flat here and puffy over there.
No.
So I might need to still keep it in a way that sits tiny bit on the front bone.
Yeah.
We will see. We will go with the flow.
There's this graduated bob that seems to be coming in at the moment, isn't there?
For me, everything is...
The Victoria Beckham influenced bob is coming back in.
I don't follow fashion.
No.
For me, everything is
Everyone's
fashion.
unique, aren't they?
Everyone's
So,
unique. I customize the cut according to every client.
I'm just saying.
I never look what's going on out there.
No, good, probably best thing. It's not too much of a harsh line, as there is at the moment.
Are you planning to go back to your natural, where you leave the gray eventually, or you wanna still color it, but not let it be as visible as now?
Yeah, not as visible and not to be having to colour it every couple of weeks like I am at the moment, so it's not as visible.
But what's your end goal after a year?
My end goal after a year is probably my natural cut, like the grey, I'd say.
So you want to land on it?
I think I'll have to, because it is pretty much all
The reason
grey
I'm
now,
asking because whenever a client, she wants to go closer to her natural, which is at the stage. It's all grey.
Yeah, no, it's grey, isn't it? 100% grey.
Then
it's a lot at 50 years
old.
Then
when I take you lighter on when I prepare the length, I know that, okay, our aim is to keep it as light as possible.
Yes.
So I would push on the hair a little bit more, and I will try to give you a blonder finishing.
Yeah.
And the reason I have this option visible for me today, because it looks like your hair can go blonde.
Yeah.
There's many times where I see clients' hair and I feel like it can't.
Okay.
But when I'm looking at your hair, it looks like you have that potential.
Yeah.
We might have a bit of struggle at the front. This is where you have the build-up color and it's quite dark. But through the length, I think we have the option to go quite blonde. Now, what's gonna happen when we go light, it's gonna look very yellow. Let's hope there is no orange.
Okay.
So what's gonna happen when the lens becomes very warm and the silver is still kind of a cold color in a way, when I tone the hair back down to colder color on the length, you're gonna tell me, I feel like it feels still not light enough through the length. That's because always grayish, ashier tones, they always feel slightly darker than they should be. But this is important for me because your hair's gonna wash out and a lot of warmth is gonna come back.
Yeah.
But you would walk out of here feeling that the silver is pretty visible. The area after it, it's maybe 4 or 5 shades lighter than this, but it's quite grayish a little bit. You might feel like it's a little bit harsh on the skin, but you have to think, okay, how it's gonna look like in 2 to 3 weeks from now. If I felt that maybe giving you a beigier color would be better for your skin, maybe we go more toward beige color.
Okay.
This is all will be finalized after I see how your hair is gonna lighten.
Okay.
Now, when I'm feeling the texture of your hair, it's not in the best condition toward the ends, but going out of what you have, it's a one-time job. We get it done in the safe way. We are very quick. That's why they come to us for bleach from everywhere around the globe, because we know how to go light very quickly. We're very efficient with how we manage bleach. We will try to lighten, treat the hair to recover the effect of the damage, cut whatever left over that's not being recovered, and we start the process.
Yeah. Okay. It does tend to go quite brassy after, you know, when I've had it lightened in the past.
Yeah.
As it starts to grow again, it does go quite orange.
It is, especially now that we're bleaching it.
There's such a lot of colour on it from over the years.
Yeah, especially now that we're bleaching it, this is going to go very brassy, but we'll try to eliminate that as much as possible. Okay, let me give you the breakdown of the price, then we can go from there.
Thank you.
Okay, all right, let's get it done.
Thank you.
Very yellow,
Not quite the finished result I was after.
Don't worry, we'll eliminate it.
It's alright.
That's good.
Those flyaway bits.
I was expecting it to look good, but not this much. To be honest, I'm really happy with the results.
Oh, I am as well. I wasn't sure what to expect because it was so white.
Because when we finished, it was too yellow. I'm like, okay, maybe we can get rid of a good amount of the yellow, but to get it a little bit more
It's really
grayish,
ashy,
ashier in this way, it's like a beige ash in a way.
No, it's good. It's really good because my hair's so white. My hair now, so it will look good when it starts.
Even on your skin, like when I'm looking at it, because you do have a bit of warm skin.
Yeah.
So this is gonna balance out
Yeah,
the tone.
no, it's good because the orange looks terrible with my skin.
How do you feel the texture, by the way, after all this bleach?
Really good, really good,
Yeah.
really good. Like better than it was before.
I didn't cut much from the lens, just a tiny bit. I cut more from the top because you had more affected ends.
Yeah.
But in general, I kept the lens as long as possible. On purpose, I added more layers here on the sides to give you more rounded look.
Yeah.
Because you do have a bit of flat sides.
I never knew that, but thank you for
You
informing me about
you can see it from the profile of your
No,
your
you can.
face.
Yeah, I'm going to be self-conscious about
Yeah.
that now.
No, you shouldn't. No, you shouldn't. Don't think about
Something
it.
else to add to the list.
I fixed it already. So.
Oh no.
Yeah, but the shade is beautiful. So the top, we kept as much gray as possible. Get closer, Nicole. Your patient for a few hours here paid off.
It did, yeah. No, it did. It's great. I love it. So shiny as well.
Slightly more down. Yes, beautiful. Look at the side. Step one, tiny bit left. Yes, perfect. You've seen all the clients today. Coming in, coming out.
I have.
The first to come and the last to leave.
No.
Not the last, I mean, we still have few. You think your child is gonna recognize you?
Oh, I think he'll have a shock.
Yeah.
I've told his dad to prepare him. I'll send him a photograph.
I love the shade.
I
So
really love
basically,
it, yeah.
what we need to do, most probably some parts that still have a bit of warmth in it,
Yeah.
it might pop out.
Yep.
We will tone them down in the next few weeks till
Okay.
they stabilize.
Yep.
And you're off to go.
Yep.
The top this time, I did give it a bit of color,
Yes.
but I kept it as light as
No,
possible.
no, it's good. Yeah.
So what we need to do, we stick to this for a few months,
And-
then after that I will adjust it to start covering the gray less and less.
Okay.
Then maybe after 1 year you tell me, you know what, no more coloring, just let it
Just let it. Yeah.
be, okay? And this piece we're gonna grow it.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
This piece, the more you grow it, the more
Yeah.
easier we can manage, because you do have that strong curve
I have.
over
Yeah.
here. Yeah, ready?
No, it's great.
Thank you, darling. You
thank
look amazing.
Oh, no, thank you
Thank
so
you. You look
much.
great.
Thank
I was
you.
patient from you today.
Thank you. Oh, no, thank you.